Our planet is a masterpiece, brimming with extraordinary life forms and breathtaking natural phenomena. Yet, some of the most incredible displays of animal behavior remain hidden from most eyes. Until now. Today, we'll reveal 10 rare and astonishing animal behaviors that you can actually experience in person. Get ready to embark on a journey through glowing oceans, ingenious architects of the animal kingdom, chaotic underwater hunts, mass migrations, and serene mountain retreats. Let's explore the wonders of the wild. Imagine standing on a dark shoreline, gazing out over the water as thousands of tiny lights flicker beneath the waves. This isn't a scene from a fantasy movie, it's the magical bioluminescence of firefly squids. Found primarily in Toyama Bay, Japan, these remarkable creatures turn the ocean into a dazzling light show every spring. But why do they glow? It's not just for aesthetics. Bioluminescence serves multiple purposes: to attract mates, to communicate, and to confuse predators by mimicking starlight or moonlight reflections. Each tentacle of the firefly squid is lined with tiny photophores, the specialized cells responsible for producing light. The glow can vary in intensity and rhythm, creating a unique signature for each squid. Scientists believe these patterns could serve as a kind of Morse code for underwater communication. This rare phenomenon happens between March and June when the squids migrate closer to the shore to spawn. Tourists flock to Toyama Bay during these months to witness this natural wonder. Local fishermen, who've known about this behavior for centuries, even incorporate it into their traditional practices, ensuring the delicate balance of this ecosystem is maintained. Experiencing this bioluminescent dance feels otherworldly, as though you've stepped into a parallel universe where the sea comes alive with stars. Visiting during the right season guarantees a front-row seat to one of nature's most hypnotic displays. Deep within the forests of Australia and Papua New Guinea, love takes a creative turn. Meet the male bowerbird, a true artist of the animal kingdom. Unlike other birds that rely solely on flashy plumage or songs, the bowerbird goes above and beyond by constructing elaborate structures to attract mates. These bowers are not nests but intricate displays of design, creativity, and effort, made to impress the discerning eyes of female bowerbird. The process starts with selecting the perfect spot, a flat, shaded area protected from wind and predators. Using twigs, leaves, and grass, the male builds a structure that resembles a small hut or arch. But the real magic lies in the decorations. The male collects vibrant objects like flowers, berries, shells, and even man-made items like bottle caps and pieces of plastic. Blue is a particularly prized color, as it seems to catch the attention of potential mates. But building the bower isn't enough. The male must also perform an elaborate courtship dance, accompanied by a medley of clicks, whistles, and mimicked sounds. This multisensory display tests his creativity, persistence, and physical fitness, traits that the female uses to decide if he's the ideal mate. Witnessing this behavior in the wild is like watching an avian art competition. Guided tours in bowerbird habitats allow visitors to observe these architectural marvels, offering a rare glimpse into the lengths animals go to for love. The ocean holds countless secrets, but few are as thrilling, or chaotic, as the annual sardine run off the coast of South Africa. Every winter, billions of sardines migrate along the eastern coastline, forming immense silver shoals that stretch for miles. These tightly packed schools attract a host of predators, from dolphins and sharks to birds and even whales, creating a feeding frenzy that has to be seen to be believed. The spectacle begins with dolphins herding the sardines into what's called a bait ball, a defensive formation designed to confuse predators. But it's not just dolphins that join the feast. Sharks dart through the bait balls at lightning speed, snapping up as many fish as possible. Above the water, Cape gannets dive bomb into the ocean, their sharp beaks slicing through the chaos with surgical precision. Occasionally, even humpback whales join in, swallowing entire bait balls in a single gulp. This multi-species feeding frenzy is not only a visual feast but a rare opportunity to witness the intricate balance of marine ecosystems. Each predator plays a crucial role in maintaining the ocean's biodiversity. Adventurous travelers can witness this phenomenon firsthand by joining guided snorkeling or diving tours. The best time to visit is between May and July, when the sardine migration peaks, offering a front-row seat to one of nature's most electrifying events. On a remote island in the Indian Ocean, a natural event so dramatic and vivid occurs that it has earned the nickname the Crimson Tide. Welcome to Christmas Island, where millions of red crabs march from the forest to the ocean every year in one of the world's most spectacular migrations. This epic journey is triggered by the start of the wet season and carefully synchronized with the lunar calendar. Male crabs lead the charge, digging burrows on the sandy beaches where they will later mate with the females. After mating, the females stay behind to lay eggs, which are timed to hatch with the high tide, ensuring the larvae are swept into the ocean. The migration isn't without its challenges. Roads and human infrastructure create dangerous obstacles, but conservationists have stepped in, constructing crab bridges and tunnels to protect these determined travelers. Witnessing this crimson wave is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, typically taking place between October and November. Christmas Island offers guided tours that allow visitors to safely observe this incredible phenomenon. The sight of millions of crabs marching in unison is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a vivid reminder of the intricate connections between animals and their environment. High in the snowy mountains of Japan, a unique group of primates has discovered the ultimate relaxation technique. Meet the Japanese macaques, affectionately known as snow monkeys, who've turned natural hot springs into their personal spas. Found in Jigokudani Monkey Park, this behavior is both practical and surprisingly relatable. During the harsh winter months, temperatures in their mountainous habitat can drop to sub-zero levels. To combat the cold, these intelligent primates seek out hot springs, where they gather in groups to soak and stay warm. Studies have shown that the time they spend in the springs not only reduces stress but also strengthens social bonds within the troop. Watching these monkeys is an extraordinary experience. Their expressions of pure relaxation are so human-like that it's impossible not to feel a connection. Some even groom each other in the pools, further solidifying their social hierarchy. The park offers safe viewing platforms, ensuring minimal disturbance to the monkeys while allowing visitors to witness this rare behavior. A visit to Jigokudani in winter is like stepping into a serene winter wonderland, complete with nature's most adorable spa-goers. Imagine stepping into a cave that feels like the inside of a galaxy, with tiny lights twinkling all around you. This is the enchanting world of glowworms, found in the caves of New Zealand and parts of Australia. These bioluminescent larvae create silky threads that hang from cave ceilings, glowing to lure unsuspecting insects into their traps. The light is produced by a chemical reaction in the glowworms' bodies, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. The brighter the glow, the more successful the glowworm is at catching prey. What makes this experience so magical is the sheer density of these glowing creatures, creating an illusion of floating among the stars. To see this mesmerizing display, visit New Zealand's Waitomo Caves or Australia's Tamborine Mountain Glowworm Caves. Guided tours take you through the dark, silent chambers, often by boat, for an unforgettable experience. It's like entering a dream where nature and fantasy intertwine. This rare behavior reminds us that even in the darkest corners of our planet, life finds a way to shine. Visiting a glowworm cave is not just an adventure, it's a glimpse into nature's ability to turn darkness into beauty. If you think spiders are just creepy crawlers, think again. The peacock spider of Australia is a master of performance and style. These tiny arachnids, often no larger than a grain of rice, are famous for their colorful abdomens and elaborate mating dances that rival the moves of professional dancers. The male begins his courtship by raising his vibrant abdomen like a flag, displaying iridescent patterns that shimmer in the light. He then waves his legs in sync with rhythmic vibrations to catch the female's attention. Each species of peacock spider has its own unique dance routine, showcasing the diversity and creativity within this group. But it's not all fun and games. If the female isn't impressed, the male risks becoming her next meal. This high-stakes performance is a testament to the lengths animals go to for survival and reproduction. With a bit of patience and a macro lens, you can witness this fascinating behavior in the wild. The best time to see them is during the Australian spring, when males are most active. Watching a peacock spider's dance is like attending a miniature wildlife concert, dazzling, dramatic, and unforgettable. In the shimmering salt flats of Africa, Asia, and South America, flamingos put on one of the most elegant and synchronized displays in the animal kingdom, their courtship dance. This behavior, performed in large groups, is a key part of their mating rituals and a stunning sight to behold. The dance begins with a series of synchronized movements. Flamingos stretch their necks, flap their wings, and march together in perfect harmony, creating a wave-like effect across the flock. These movements help showcase their physical fitness and bond the group, increasing their chances of attracting a mate. The most captivating part is the collective rhythm. Each bird seems to know its role, moving in sync as though guided by an invisible conductor. Scientists believe this synchronization helps flamingos coordinate as a group, enhancing their survival in challenging environments. To witness this elegant display, visit locations like Lake Natron in Tanzania or the Atacama Salt Flats in Chile during the breeding season. Watching flamingos dance is like seeing a living ballet, performed by nature's most graceful dancers. In the icy waters of Alaska and the North Atlantic, humpback whales exhibit one of the most sophisticated hunting techniques in the animal kingdom, bubble net feeding. This cooperative behavior showcases the intelligence and teamwork of these gentle giants. The process begins with a group of whales diving deep below a school of fish. One whale releases a stream of bubbles, forming a net that traps the fish within its confines. As the fish panic and bunch together, the whales swim upward with mouths wide open, swallowing thousands of fish in a single gulp. This behavior is not only rare but also highly coordinated. Each whale has a specific role, from creating bubbles to vocalizing sounds that drive the fish into the trap. The level of teamwork required is a testament to the whale's intelligence and social bonds. To experience this incredible phenomenon, join a whale-watching tour in Alaska or Canada during the summer months. Seeing these majestic creatures work together is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a reminder of the complexities of marine life. In the skies above cities and forests alike, a curious and rare behavior unfolds: the mobbing of crows. These intelligent birds band together to harass predators like hawks, owls, and even eagles, often driving them out of their territory. Mobbing begins with a single crow spotting a predator. It calls out to its fellow crows, who respond in droves, diving at the predator, pecking its feathers, and emitting loud, raucous calls. This cooperative behavior serves as a defense mechanism, protecting the group and their nests from potential threats. Despite their size disadvantage, crows rely on strength in numbers and their unmatched intelligence to outwit their enemies. Studies have shown that crows can recognize individual faces and remember perceived threats for years, making them one of the most resourceful birds in the world. Urban parks and forests are prime locations to observe this behavior. Watching a group of crows take on a predator is a fascinating display of strategy, teamwork, and bravery. It's like witnessing a real-life battle in the animal kingdom. From glowing oceans to crafty architects, frenetic underwater hunts to crimson migrations, and serene mountain retreats, these rare animal behaviors showcase the boundless wonders of our natural world. Each one is a testament to the creativity, resilience, and beauty of life on Earth. Which of these would you like to witness? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible explorations of the wild.